In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email from Zoho CRM. Let's start with the basics. Sending an individual email directly from a record. This is really useful when you're working with a specific lead, contact, or account, and you want your communication to be logged automatically inside Zoho. First, open the record you want to email. This could be a lead, a contact, or an account, depending on how your CRM is set up and where that person lives in your process. Use the main navigation to get to the right module, then click on the specific record to open its detail page. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right person or company before you send anything. Once the record is open, look for the Send Email button. This is usually located in the top right area of the record screen, or sometimes inside the email or communication section on the page. When you click Send Email, Zoho will open a pop-up window or a side panel where you can compose your message. In the email composer, you'll see the To field already filled in with the email address from that record. From here, you can type your subject line and your main message. If you use standard wording for your outreach, this is a great place to take advantage of templates. Zoho CRM lets you choose from existing email templates so you don't have to rewrite the same content over and over. Just select the appropriate template and it will automatically populate the subject and body, which you can still customize if needed. You can also add attachments to your email. Look for the attachment icon in the composer. From there, you can upload files from your local computer or pull documents from connected services like OneDrive or Google Docs. This is perfect for sending proposals, presentations, or any supporting materials your contact needs. When you're happy with your email, you have two options. You can send it right away by clicking the Send button, or you can schedule it for later. If you choose to schedule, click the schedule icon next to the Send button. Zoho will give you options such as sending at the recommended best time, using a predefined time window, or setting a completely custom date and time. This is especially helpful if you want your email to land during your recipient's working hours or at a time when they're more likely to respond. After you've sent or scheduled the email, it will be logged under that record, so you can always refer back to it as part of your ongoing communication history.